Good morning, myself Swati. I am going to continue my video lecture series based upon object-oriented programming. Now my topic is an interface. Interface is taking a major role in Java programming. In this we are having an empathize stage to understand the developer, need a way to achieve abstraction and multiple inheritance in Java, which leads to use interface to define command behaviors that different classes or can implement it in their own way. In this we are having 7 types of inheritance, but multiple inheritance will be not supported in the Java programming, because by using a class the multiple inheritance will not be an enroll the various number of subclasses, so it will be not applicable to use in the Java programming. So by using an interface method, interface keyword, the multiple inheritance will be used in the Java programming. That is an interface. Interface is an developer need to way to achieve abstractions and multiple in Java, multiple inheritance in Java, which leads to a use of interface to define common behavior that different classes can implement their own ways. In this we are having an diagram here. Shape, it implements the circle or rectangle. Shapes are, we are having n number of shapes here. So in this we are shape is an class, it implements with circle or rectangle. That is an interface here. Okay, say class shapes, shape implements circle or rectangle. Their own way of projections will be given by circle or rectangle or triangle, anywhere, any shapes we are using in the programming language. And an introduction about the interface. Developer often face challenges in designing flexible and reusable code structure. Interface helps address these needs to allowing multiple classes to share common functionality while maintaining independent implementations. If you are having a class set, by using a class, by they are having methods and attributes inside the class code. The subclasses and a number of subclasses would be used the main class, main superclass methods and attributes, like common functionality and any other information be same for main class and also a subclass. That's all inside the classes will be we are given here. Okay, in this we are having a diagram like we are having an interface actor, how interface will be an extends with subclasses, how main class interface will be an extends with subclasses of interface. And then we are having a definition here. Interface in Java is a blueprint of class that contain abstract methods and constants. Interface is in Java is a blueprint of a class that contain abstract methods and constants. And then we already seen the diagram like shapes, implement circles and rectangle. The same diagram here. And then interface means, what is an interface in Java means, it is a printer example, like we are having an example program here. It is an interface of printable the statements in the given example, given program. It is a class type without characteristics subclasses that implements the interface with an individual ways. It cannot be an code reusability or code existence, etc. It is a key concepts like we are having a class extends with class, but class implements with an interface, because we are having we are not using a multiple inheritance, so we are not using a multiple classes inside the inheritance. So one or two will be an okay, but n number of multiple inheritance means it is a multi-level of classes will be using here, but it is not accepted in the multiple inheritance in Java 2. So we are using like interface class interface implements. We are using like this. And the needs of Java interfaces, it is for communication, abstractions, and majorly for multiple inheritance. And then they are having a loss of computing technology will be a loss in the by using of interface here. These are the needs to be Interface is in a Java is a collection of abstract method that define a contrast for classes to implement Design a Java program using interface to define common behavior for different types of payment method. We are having an interface no, commonly in the day-to-day life. We are having an interface for each and every conversations. If we are having any conversations to be convey to other persons, we are having an intermediate like intermediator. We are having an any we are searching any property or rental properties. Likewise, we are having an intermediate here. Likewise, the interface is act as an Java programming. And then we are having an architecture like interface. Interface is an slow. Interface can implement several interfaces. You cannot define fields in an interface. We cannot define the fields in the interface portions. We have only used in the class set of node code. The single interface can extend multiple interface. Okay. And then types of interface is an interface like functional interface and marker interface. Functional interface means there are three types of interface, two phases of interface: functional interface and marker interface. We have an example like bank account, credit card, rupee, like dollar. We are having an example. This is an interface. Credit card is an interface for all the payment mode for the bank account. Thank you for watching.